guys, we have a problem situation here.
The sand monsters attacked the puzzles and split them into a piece. We better grab them again together. Would you help me and McQueen?
Come on, let's do this together. I think this kind of puzzle is sort of them in the pictures. I got it. Mater, I need to find the right name and letter for the right picture.
Okay, Maynard is ready. Back off, you spunky.
Oh no, that can be right, Mater. Just focus and try again.
Okay, buddy. I'll slice you in 8 pieces, like slicing an apple pie in a pan. Now, just to kiss me, do you mind just moving away?
Good job. That's correct. Now let's assemble them together. Okay, next. They are not moving. Take this, and this. Now, we are the power team.
Mater is here to save the world. You are not a nice guy.
Oh yeah!
Next.
Okay, the queen is ready. Okay, ciao.
You want to fight me?
No, Mater, no. Try again, please.
I'm trying, buddy. Come on, you don't want me to pull you, don't you? That'll load you on my back just like that. Woohoo!
Great, good job. The last but not the least. Really? Okay, then try me. Take this.
Back off or I'll smash you like a tomato. Sorry, but I just warned you.
Now let's put them in the right order. Congratulations, we made it!
Woo!
Hooray! Yay!
That was fun. Do you want to try it again with different type of puzzle? Okay, then let's get started. Let's see. Ah, got it. Mater, you need to find the right number for the right picker.
Okay, I'm not sure which one. Okay, I'll start with you. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's play with the little game.
Good job. That's correct. Now let's assemble them together. Hey, monster. I need you not blink your eyes and say cheese to the best flash lightning car in the world. Ka-chow! I'm sorry. Did I just blend your lovely triple A's?
Do you mind moving a little bit? Thank you.
No, Mater, no. Try again, please.
Okay. I'm going to turn you to tic-tac-toe game. I will do that. And you will do that. Mater's the winner, so get out of here. Woohoo!
Good job. Okay, next. Speed. I am speed.
Don't let me put my footprint on you. for a footprint. Yeah. How about 1 million footprints?
Oh yeah! Okay, last one. Hey, will you excuse me scoping you up? Thanks!
Mater's here. You shiny box, you better be shaking. Take this.
Now let's put them in the right order. Congratulations, we made it!
Woo!
Hooray!
That was fun. Do you want to try it again with different type of puzzle? Great, let's do this together. Let's see. Ah, got it. Mater, match the color with the correct word.
Okay, buddy.
Ah, no, Mater. That can't be right. Try again, please.
Okay. I'm hungry. This looks like a barbecue stick, but it's thicker than I thought. Wait, let's try flattening it a bit.
Good job. That's correct. Now let's assemble them together. Oh, does that just landed on your face? Don't worry, monster. I'll take care of it. On speed.
Wake up, sleeping beauty. Come on, get up, get up, get up. Then straight to the washroom. And brush your teeth early in the morning. Oh, sorry.
Great, good job. Pizza time. One for me, one for Mater, one for Sally, and one for Duck.
Surprise! It's my birthday!
Happy birthday!
Haha, piece of cake! Party is over. Time to clean up.
Oh yeah! Okay, last one. Let's give that space creature our biggest moon footprint. Now, get out from our planet.
Hey, do you want to see a magic? Hee hee. Abracadabra. Sorry, did I just poke your eye? Now will you move away?
Great, good job. Congratulations, we made it.
Woo!
Hooray!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then please subscribe. See you soon. Ka-chow!